Hello and welcome. This is Neil of Team Teacher, teaching, living, and raising a family in China. Today, we are going to look at another PowerPoint game called Memory Match. Let's check it out. So my first slide is always an example slide, so I can give students a quick guide with my words and visually. So here I'll just explain that they choose two, so they can choose A and say C, for example, but these are two pictures which are not the same. But if they choose B, banana, here's the word, which one has banana? It is A. So here they match and they can get some points based on that. So with this slide, it's very colorful, and basically all they have to do is to choose a letter. You can do it grid-based, so they can choose like A1, B2, and you can use it in a variety of different ways. This particular PowerPoint is set up for picture and word, but you could also set it up to be part of a structure along with another part of a structure, like I can, and some verb or something like that, whatever target language you've been practicing. Or you could do it with a word and a sound. It doesn't necessarily have to be a picture. They're pretty easy to set up. I'll show you how this one is set up. So if you want to change and adapt this PowerPoint slide, what you need to do is click on the colored slide, the colored box, and right click, and then go to center back, and you'll have this white square here. What you can do with that is you go change picture, and you choose a picture from one that you've pre-selected, or you can just type in a word or something like that. Once you've finished, all you have to do is click back onto the color section and bring to front, and there you go, all changed up. Make sure that you save it after you've completed all the memory outline that you want to do, and enjoy. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel, and if you want to get the PowerPoint slide, you want to go to TeamTeacherChina.com, and we'll also put a link to it in the description below. Thank you very much, and goodbye.